Did you know that you could actually make money from Facebook? Well, today is going to be a very interesting video because I'm going to show you how you can make some money from Facebook. It's absolutely easy to do. It's absolutely free. You don't pay any money to do this. This secret is really awesome, and all you need to do is watch the video all the way to the end. I'm going to explain to you what you need to do. I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take in order to make this money. So don't skip the video because you might miss an important step. Now, this is absolutely free to do. You don't have to pay any money to do this, and it's available worldwide. So it doesn't really matter where you're coming from. If you're in Asia, Africa, Europe, America, South America, Australia, you can all get access to this opportunity. So please just like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free to subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I have a new video, you can be able to watch my videos. So this website is called fileupload.com. Now, if you've never heard of File Upload, well, basically it's just a platform where you can upload different kinds of files and you can make money from that. Sounds simple? Well, it is absolutely simple, and it's awesome, and it's easy. So how does it actually work? Basically, what you're going to do is you want to click on make money. So when you click on make money, you'll see over here, for example, if you upload a certain file and somebody in category A, in group A, download your file, if they group A are people in the United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. So if anybody in one of these countries downloads your file, you're gonna get $6 for every time your file has been downloaded. So now if somebody in group B, which is the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia, if they download your file, you'll get $2. If somebody in group C downloads your file, which is the rest of the countries in the world, you get also $2. So basically it's just as simple as that, just uploading different kinds of files and causing people to download your files. Now, what are you actually going to be downloading? So over here, there's something called GIF files. You see these funny little videos, short videos, these short images. Don't underestimate them. You can actually make money from them. So you basically want to find one that's really cool and it's free to download. You can just right click. You just click on the one you like. For example, let's click on this one. You just decide to click on any random one that you like, and then you just want to save it, and it's absolutely free to save. So let's find something very simple. For example, we have this one over here. So all you would do is you can right click and save image as, and then save it to your computer. Absolutely free. Very simple, but very good looking. So all you want to do, definitely you know what is Facebook. On Facebook, you want to type in animated GIFs. So when you type in animated GIFs, it's going to give you a bunch of things. You just want to click on groups. So when you click on groups, you're going to see different kinds of groups that you can actually check. Over here, there's 1 million members. You want to click on that. Over here, there's another group. Let's open that as well. As you can see, this group is just a group of people posting different kinds of GIFs. Okay. Now what you actually want to do is you want to come onto file upload. So basically you want to upload that GIF file over here. So then they're going to provide you with a link. So with that link, you want to copy that link, and then when you're on Facebook, you want to actually post and just put in your link over there. So you just put in your link over there and put in like your little GIF at the bottom. So every time people click on that, and they download your GIF, you get money depending on where they are coming from. As I explained to you, that it depends on where they're actually coming from, that will determine the kind of money that you'll make. So you just want to maybe let them know that, hey, just click on this link for this really cool GIF, and when they click on it and they download it, immediately they download it, you get this amount of money depending on where they're actually coming from. Now, the reason this website is paying you for that is because this website actually wants more and more traffic, more and more people to actually download files from them. So they want more and more people to come on here and download files, because they want more and more people to know about them. So here's a proof of payment of different kinds of people who are using this website. As you can see, some are making $2, $1, $50, $28, $1, $6, $1. You see, some people are not making so much money because not everybody's going to click on your link, because people feel like, hey, is this really useful for me to actually click on this to do that? But if people know that them downloading the file is absolutely free, there's a way you need to convince them. There's a way you just need to convince the people. Just tell them something like, hey, check this cool GIF image, it's absolutely free, just download it. When they click on it and they download it for free, you make money. So there's a way you have to explain it to them for people to actually download it. It's not something that you just post it there, put your link there randomly. You just want to put your link there randomly. People might not just click on it. You just want to explain to them, hey, this really cool GIF is so funny, it can make you laugh, it's absolutely hilarious, just click on it. And when they click on it and they download it, you make your cash. So there's something you have to do. You have to convince people, you have to let them know it's free, and it's just something that you can just post in different kinds of Facebook groups. As you can see, there's a group that has 1 million members. So if you can put it in 1 million members, in a group of 1 million members, and you can let them know that it's free, and there's a way you're convincing to them and they decide to download it, that is a lot of money. So you have a lot of luck that you can actually get from doing this. And it's worked for me, not as much as I would have loved it to, but I mean, like, a $50 per day has actually worked. So I advise you to give it your all, try your best. You could make more, you can make even $200. Different people will just decide to download it for free, and you can make your money. And at the end of the day, this website, file upload, they just want more and more people to come onto their website and download things. As you can see, the total members over here, we already have 472,627 members, and the amount paid so far is a lot of dollars. As you can see over here, total paid is a lot of dollars. So I hope this helps you, and remember, you can get your payment in different methods: Bitcoin, Perfect Money, PayPal, Payeer, Visa. So if you want your money straight into your bank account, you can do that. Your Skrill account, MoneyGram, Western Union, is all up to you. American Express, however you want to get your payment. PayPal is always great, it's very simple. Perfect Money is also great as well. So it's all up to you. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. Like the video. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now and turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And go onto my playlist. I have a playlist that can help you to make more money online. So thank you so much for watching, and cheers.